Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're delving into Meta. Our initial report was released on Wednesday, February 28, 2024, and now we're providing you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest analysis. Stay updated to avoid missing important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our new AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and thorough analysis for any of 25,000 global companies today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate with a score of 3.49. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have seen a significant 48.2% gain since Meta was first designated as a buy candidate 56 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.86% since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as a pullback to the lower trend line is likely. A breakout above $490.07 would signal a more significant uptrend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 60.1% change, with potential returns ranging from 48.00% to 62.10%. The 12-month trend forecasts an 83.19% change, with possible returns between 37.31% and 84.67%. This implies a price range of $664.60 to $893.83 in a year. Our latest daily update for Meta reveals that the stock price closed at $484.02 on Wednesday, marking a decrease of 0.622%. On Wednesday, February 28, 2024, the Meta stock price dropped by -0.622% from $487.05 to $484.02. Throughout the trading day, the stock price ranged from $482.75 to $491.05, showing a fluctuation of 1.72%. While the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 5.19% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased by 1 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices, which could indicate a potential risk increase in the coming days. In total, approximately $5.61 billion worth of shares were traded, totaling 12 million shares. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $494.36, while the lowest was $171.43. Currently, the price sits 2.09% or $10.34 below the 52-week high of $494.36, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. KeyBank issued an overweight grade with a hold action for Meta on Friday, February 2, 2024. Needham provided a buy rating with a hold action for Meta on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. JMP Securities assigned a market outperform rating with a hold action for Meta on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. UBS granted an overweight grade with a hold action for Meta on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Mizuho Securities awarded an overweight grade with a hold action for Meta on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Analysts strongly recommend investing in Meta stock, giving it a strong buy rating across the board. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio both receive a strong buy rating from analysts. When it comes to return on investment, analysts also rate Meta stock as a strong buy. Today's stock signals for Meta are a mix of positive and negative indicators. A recent sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point, resulting in a 0.622% decrease. More decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased during price drops, indicating a potential warning. The stock has buy signals from short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Furthermore, a general buy signal is generated from the relationship between the short-term and long-term averages, with the short-term average surpassing the long-term one. In case of corrections downwards, support levels are expected at $480.39 and $429.08. Breaking below these levels will trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 57 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 56 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 84 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Meta. Meta currently finds support from accumulated volume at $474.99. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock may experience significant daily volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, Meta is considered to be a high-risk investment. In the last trading day, the stock moved $8.30 between its high and low, representing a 1.72% fluctuation. Over the past week, Meta has shown a daily average volatility of 1.96%. Let's begin by examining the fundamental data before discussing potential trading levels for Meta. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is a critical metric that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A normal P/E ratio like this is often found in companies with established track records or consistent revenues. Looking ahead, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 24, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $4.27. Pay close attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's explore potential day trading levels for Meta. In an upward scenario, the initial resistance for Meta stands at $484.03. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. Existing stockholders could view this as a potential opportunity for swing trading. Conversely, Meta faces its first support level at $474.99. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point with the expectation of a bounce back. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 23, 2024, Olive & Javier conducted an insider sell of 490 shares of Class A common stock. On February 23, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sell of 31,493 shares of Class B common stock. On February 23, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider buy of 31,493 shares of Class A common stock. On February 23, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted insider sells of 2,204,129 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -48.010. Overall, insiders purchased 199,693 shares and sold 574,365 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop-loss is set at $469.23, representing a decrease of 3.06%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, posing a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive trend, we believe there is a buying opportunity at the current level for Meta stock to perform well in the short term. Our analysis indicates that the current price of Meta stock is undervalued after considering its volatility and movements from the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, February 29th, we anticipate Meta to open up at $1.92 and start trading at $485.94. It's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment actions. Share your thoughts on our current stock view. What target do you have in mind? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and engage in successful trading. Have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.